Right now, my friend is in a serious battle with one of the strongest fish in this lake. Look at that rod bend. This is not a small fish. Whatever is down there, it's fighting hard. The drag is screaming. The line is tight. And this fish does not want to give up. Keeps pulling deeper, using the weight of the water to escape the hook. Every time we think it's getting tired, it makes another powerful run. This is pure strength versus patience. Angler versus the true ruler of this lake. Can you see that movement? It's still fighting, still shaking its head, trying everything to break free. My friend stays calm, slow and steady. No rushing. One mistake, and it's gone. The tension is unreal. Who do you think will win this battle? Watch until the end, and see who takes the victory.